You may have been told to find information for your assignment using a library database. But what does that mean? And how do you find a database that has what you need? Databases are specialized search tools containing information that focus on a specific study area or type of resource. But QUT Library has over 400 databases containing many different types of resources. So how do you choose which one to search? There are 3 main ways to choose and access the right database for your needs through QUT Library. By subject or area of study, by the type of resource or format you're wanting, or by name of a particular database that has been recommended to you. Choosing a database by subject or area of study allows you to find all the different databases about a subject regardless of resource type. For example, going to the list of databases in the area of nursing will find you all the QUT Library databases containing resources in this area, with a mix of resource types such as nursing images, or nursing videos, or peer-reviewed articles in nursing. Choosing a database by resource type lets you see all the databases available that contain the type or format of the information you need. For example, if you know that you are wanting statistics and country data, you can find all the databases containing just that type of information across all different subject areas or narrow down to just one subject or study area. Let's take a look at locating the databases on the QUT Library website. From the library homepage, you can browse databases by subject or study area. Let's look at the range of nursing databases. Click on Health, then choose Nursing from the study areas. On the results page, we can see all the databases matching this study area, showing a range of different resource types. Key resources chosen by the subject librarian are listed at the top under Recommended Databases. The second way to find a relevant database is to choose based on the format of the resource you are wanting. To see databases listed by format type, on the library homepage, choose View All Databases. Go to the drop-down menu, select a format. Let's look for all databases which contain collections of images. The results list shows us all the databases containing images across many different subject and study areas. Lastly, if you already know the name of a particular database, you can go to it directly. On the library page, click on View All Databases and then type the name of the database into the search box and press Go. For example, we want to access the specialised database Web of Science. To access a database, click on the database name to connect. You may need to enter your QUT username and password.